Clean your first alert BRK detector. This video will show you how to properly clean your first alert BRK smoke and carbon monoxide detector. Cleaning a smoke or carbon monoxide detector is important to maintain proper functionality and ensure accurate detection of potential hazards. Over time, dust, debris, and small insects can accumulate on the detector's sensors, obstructing their ability to detect smoke or carbon monoxide effectively. This buildup can lead to false alarms, or even worse, prevent the detector from detecting a genuine emergency. Let's go over the different ways you should clean your detector. Use a soft brush attachment on a vacuum cleaner to remove dust from the side vents and cover of the detector. You can also use the hose to suck out dust and debris. Wipe the outside casing with a slightly damp cloth. However, make sure you avoid getting moisture in any of the openings. Use a can of clean, compressed air or a hairdryer on a cool setting to lightly blow out dust from the sensor vent areas. We recommend cleaning your detectors once a month. Regular maintenance will help prolong the life of the detector and ensure it functions properly in case of an emergency.